Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 36. In this video, I'll be replacing the belt in a Sony EL4 Elcaset deck. The problem is that the tapes are running slow, and they're fluctuating a speed quite a bit. So let's open the hood and replace this belt. Now there's only one screw holding it in on this side, and two on the other, because this used to have wood panels on each side, and I had to take them off in order for it to fit in the rack. And I had to leave the screw off because they were so long that it would have hit a circuit board inside. I'll show it when I get inside later on. Here's the board that I was referring to, that if I put that screw back in, it would definitely hit the board. So the belt that I'm replacing is on this flywheel. There is a second belt further down here. So I'm going to pause for a minute and figure out how to change the belt, and I'll be right back. Now that I've looked at it, it looks like this bracket here has to come off. Now I don't want to mess with this because that's going to be an adjustment for end play on the flywheel. Here's the two new belts that are going on. Now the first thing I've noticed is this belt feels very sticky, like it's really deteriorating. And now I'm just trying to unhook this other belt. So here's the other belt, and it feels very sticky. Looks like I'm going to have to take this bracket off the rest of the way in order to put the new belt on. And of course there's a circuit board here that is in the way of the second screw for the bracket. This screw is tight. And now this is out of the way, and I can go ahead and take that other screw out. So here's a closer look at the flywheel and the bracket with its little preloader, and that adjusts the end play. So now I'm going to put the first belt on. Now I can put the other belt on. I gotta turn this a bit so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to try to readjust the camera a little bit. Trying to do this one-handed so my hands don't block the view. Almost got it. I'm gonna fiddle with this some more off camera and try to get this belt on. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I got that belt on. Now I'll put this other one on. Just slides over the flywheel. Now I gotta put the bracket back on. Now we'll put the circuit board back in place. And one more screw here, and this has a little bracket that'll hold the wire in place. Now just go find a power cord and plug it in. It's plugged in, and I've got a tape. This is what an Elcaset tape looks like. It appears to be playing fine. And the flywheel spinning. Tape counter appears to be moving much smoother than before. So I just need to finish putting this back together and hook it up to my system. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.